Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss a journey through the digestive system. First of all, mouth turns food into small pieces with the help of the teeth and saliva. Then esophagus carries food from the mouth to the stomach. Then stomach churns and mixes food with gastric juice. Here, liver produces bile, breaks down fat, and removes toxins. Gallbladder stores the bile the liver produces, and pancreas produce enzymes that help break down food. Then, small intestines digest and absorbs proteins, fat, and carbohydrates. And large intestine absorbs salt and water from food, leaving a soft mass called stool. Rectum acts as the stool's temporary storage, and anus, where stool exits the body.